Hi again and welcome back. In this video I thought I'd do a quick review of this chunky cross-stitch kit that I recently finished. As you can see, it's got beautiful daisies on it and these lovely purple flowers behind. Now the kit is from a company called Orchidea and it measures about 40 by 40 centimetres when finished. That's 16 by 16 inches. Now it comes with the canvas and all the thread that you need to complete it. As you'd expect with a chunky cross stitch, the threads are quite chunky and you use one of these to do the cross stitches, i.e. you don't have to divide this into singular strands, you just use one of these and then sew with it. And the main thing I found with this kit is some of the colours were very similar. Now I tend to do crafts in the evening when the light isn't so good, and I found that some of the colours on the canvas itself, not the threads, were very similar and it was difficult to see what thread I should have put where. However, that was my own fault because the manufacturers also supply this wonderful chart and you've got all the colours along the bottom that correspond to all the squares above. So if I'd actually studied this chart, I could have done it exactly as they had designed. So that's laziness on my part rather than the manufacturer's fault. Nevertheless, there was ample thread to go around, and despite the fact I kind of just guessed what I thought was the right colour for wear, I didn't run out of thread and there was loads of threads. Now the kit itself just came with the canvas and the threads. It didn't come with the backing or the pillow insert, so I bought those separately. But I have to say, it was a really nice kit. It was a joy to do, and it didn't take me very long at all, and it's lovely. I've also done some other cushions a bit like this as well. And I did this one about a year or so ago. It's a little bit bobbly because we've actually been using it as a cushion in the house. And this one with beautiful poppies and butterfly on it is from a company called Verbico. Again, the same idea. It came as a chunky cross stitch with all the threads that you need, and then I bought some backing and a pillow to go inside it. Well, I hope that's been useful, and if you're interested in doing one of these kits, I hope it's given you some info, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.